Set up 9-night pass and everything was to make a step and the men's figure fire wing. Silence creep up, not even drop a pin. People ask.
Welcome guys, Queen Boss back again with another reaction video, you see me? Yo guys, as you can see, I beat a little black, you see me? But I feel like I'm gonna wear something different, like a different color. I'm not really sure. What do you think? Different color? You know what? Different color. Yeah. Red me a beat, you see me? I feel like I just beat a red today, I don't know why. Because today I got hot, so I have to put on something fiery, blazing, you see me? Stefflon done. Fire, explosion in the boot. You see me? Yo, you know, I wonder why me I hype up Stefflon dance so much. Yo, she my favorite female rapper. I don't care nobody want to say.
Oh wow.
She a #1 for me, you see me? So me have to hype her. May that be the best hype man for Stefflon dance. Come to hype her up to the end of the earth, bro. You see me?
Shut your bitch ass!
But anyway, I'm gonna react to this. Just come out and people them say tough, people will request it. Me I chat a lot, you see me? You see me? So, begin now. I know they're ready for this.
I know you're gonna dig this.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
You know what time it is when you hear this, right?
We're gonna get a different studio.
Let's get ready to rumble.
You know what time it is, Charlie. Done.
What's it done, man?
Yeah. Yo, I got a temper on me, so we buy me VVS, it's just a chill. Niggas said they love me, but I know that she ain't real.
Yo, she come out for the 2-pack rhythm, 2-pack flow. Yo!
Niggas out here lying, I already know the deal. I'm just hoping he could give me something I can really feel. Pain made me realize I'm searching for something real. Pain in my eyes, a lot of shit I can't reveal. But I will never fold, never sniff or take pills. I keep a G till I become a maggot mill.
Yeah, she said she never fall, never sleep, never take pill. You see me? It means she not drugs out, she not kill herself, she hold on, you see me? Because she's a strong black woman. Speak your fact, Stefflon, I never know what
I'ma do it proud way before I got the deal. She kept rushing me to sign, cause we running out of meals. Rushing me to sign, I kept telling her to chill. I knew with patience we would get a bigger deal. Bigger deal and I was right though, cause we got more than a meal. It wasn't about the money, it was more about the thrill. The thrill of me saying I made these man give me a meal. Then on top of when I got a label deal. Now name any chick in the game I can't kill. Touching bodies.
I'm told you, any chicken at the game, Stefflon can't kill. Well, I know who I call it about. That's what I say,
like
isn't
a
it?
Catholic pastor, baby, I'm ill. Please don't compare me to bitches who stop meals. My don's eating, I can almost guarantee you know the deal. Headlong to my back, don't worry about if it's real or fake. Worry about if you got some collar in your safe. While I'm moving state to state, keep on chatting me. Acting like they came up with some new shit, they just catting me. Jealousy, that be what be draining all their energy. Negativity, but in my face, they be friending me. Remember me, I was the one who helped you instantly. Had you in my yard eating food, but then you genos me.
Yeah, I buy in a yard, yo. I don't know the yard man talking, I don't know if she have yardy family, I don't know the things set already, you see me?
I can't comprehend what I did to them. All I did was help, but then they hating me for helping them. Mad thing, world upside down on some sad thing. Who can you trust when they addicted to acting? Fam thing, I can't trust these bitches too. My brother told me he would shot my story for money too. My sister hating on me, to be honest, that's not new. My cousin said
Hold on, so some of my family actually hate for her for real. I know actually sometimes I get success and people hate for you, even your own family with jealousy or just who you make success. But I ain't idea, I hate them all, so I don't know why them are. I don't know still, I don't know what I feel like to be famous, isn't it?
What have I done? Yo, it's killing them. I displayed skills and they got mad real. They all feel entitled to something, they must be on pills. Gave them few bills and paid bills, but they won't chill. I will give them money to invest, but they ain't got no sense. Is that real? I will give them money to...
You know what I mean? When they reach and you give somebody money for invest and she tell her say you know send, that means that if she give her money, you're gonna blow the money, you're gonna waste it, squander, you're not gonna put it to good use. That's what I say. I know enough people like that right now where them all win the lotto and all them squander the money and now them broke poor right now. Like crazy. You ever win the lotto? Yo, tell them man, set for life. Got no sense. Cause my mindset man.
Real shit, only real people gon' feel this. More money, more pagans. Yeah, that's that realness. They liabilities.
Real.
Eye on me, watch your mama
fake
trying
friends.
to assets and get bigger than the Kardashians.
Perfect.
Yeah. Stefflon done E5 from the Clapton, free Dutchie, free A. Yo, release told the man them off the landing. Hey.
Stefflon!
Yo, Stefflon.
I see you guys.
Yo, me not expect nothing different from Stefflon Dan. Nothing different, isn't it? Stefflon Dan.
No messing about here.
That's some real spit still.
I try.
You're a savage with it.
Oi.
Worth the wait.
Has it been worth the wait?
3.5 years, you ain't been worth the wait.
Don't say it like that, Charlie,
Nah, just
because
keep
you
it
know,
real, you know
I was
what I mean?
busy, man. I was out here trying to get that guala, you know.
Yeah,
You ain't pay, you ain't pay.
Just try to get that guala, that money, that pay, man.
Paid for the streams. Every time someone listens, you get paid.
Now, but 3.5 years ago, you
Yeah,
know.
it wasn't the same.
Me, it was mad.
That's why I'm
Yeah.
saying it's different now.
I'm ready now, Charlie.
Hey, Steph, I'm gonna throw another beat on.
Let's go, Charlie.
Hey! Woo! Woo! Come on, shining out here, man.
Am I shining?
You're shining, girl. Shining, girl.
Stop blinging the
I
man.
can see from
They're
here.
having seizures.
They're dancing.
You know, I ain't a rubber, but I had to tell them this if I was. Get the keys, open the safe. Look down, don't look in my face. Get the money and put it in place. I need it all, do whatever it takes. Don't fuck around and call the Jakes. Cause you might end up in the lake.
Perfect.
Please don't tempt me today. The devil a kid and he wanna play. I'll have your family looking for you. Heart's warm, but you made me do it. Bitch, I'm in full extendo mode. Heart's warm, but the weather cold. If you don't know me, better get to know me. From the E5, ain't no tender on you. Like a beehive, I be buzzing, homie, got your eyes wide. Yeah, they all upon me, cause you think I'm pretty and I rap good. From the city, but
Hear that? Think it's pretty, but you rap good. Why did I talk out for me? Me even know you look good, you rap good. But you know,
damn
fuck
good.
me in
You shot in the east just to get the Lizzie. Now I get the Lizzie in my bank book. In the kitchen whipping, yes I can cook. Jet Li with the angles. I'm a wretch, so I need more gigs to make more stacks for my bangles. It's misty and cold like 50. A couple bitches, yeah, they diss me. And nah, they ain't here with me. Hoes, I know that you feeling shitty. Hoes, I know that you really miss me. Damn.
Yo, Stefflon, yo. The reason why I'm saying Stefflon Dan bad now, bro, our voice can change our voice so many different ways. You see me? When you look at female artists, we can sing, rap, everything with them voice so can sound different sometimes. Them have talent, bro, because not everybody can. Some people only sing one way, one straight way. You see me? When they have talent, they can sing all different types.
I'm with the pinkies,
You see me?
all these bitches frauds, so I cut them off like umbilical cords. Hey, how you feel? How you feel? Behind my back, you wasn't real. You made your bed, got a lay in it. Don't call my phone, yo, erase my digits. Your apologies, I ain't trying to hear it. Your energy, I ain't trying to feel it. Don't see nothing, guess I'm blind to it. Bitches come and go like a drive-through. The speak got me buzzing again. I need more deals past the pen. You know I'm 10 out of 10. Plus I'm talented, so don't pretend. No, I ain't trying to be friends. While I'm in the club, trying to turn up.
Yeah.
Some bottles I don't even drink, but I stay dripping like taps on the sink. Came with the army, we strapped with the mink. Came with the army, we strapped with the mink. Do what we want, we don't care how you feel. Do what we want, we don't care how you think.
Perfect. Boom, shaka.
I'm told her, don't play with it, Dan.
Are you mad with it, girl?
Get the keys, open the safe.
Open the safe.
Down, don't look in my face. Get the money and put it in place. I need it all, do whatever it takes. Don't fuck around and call the Jakes. Charlie, you might end up in the lake.
Come on.
Please don't tell me today.
See that,
The
man,
devil
the
is
lake,
dead
you
and
would.
he wanna play. Get the keys, open the
Safe.
safe. Look down, don't look in my face.
Yeah.
Get the money and put it in place. I need it all, do whatever it takes. Don't fuck around and call the Jakes. Cause you might end up in the lake.
Not me.
Please don't tell me today. The devil
What's
is kid
it?
and he wanna play.
But not me, man. I don't know yet, bro. You mad?
Wow.
I'm told her.
Hey,
Come on, Steph. Now you're mad with it, girl.
hey,
Ferocious. Ferocious with it.
hey, like that.
Mad. I'm
Mad
just
thing.
sat here like, wow. I don't care if you're male or female. I'd feel a little bit intimidated after that.
Do you?
I'd be like, bro, she hard with it. She hard with it.
Bad man, I tell
Know
you,
what your
bad
sex
man.
is.
Should've mattered.
Should've matter.
Should've mattered, cause you know that I'm better and I'm better when I did whatever in the shit. But it better get everybody get lit.
Come on.
Yo,
Oh, mad with it. Mad with it.
John and stuff, bad
I mean,
dog.
like, I did say I've waited 3.5 years.
3.5 years.
It's been worth the wait.
Was it
Sometimes,
worth the wait?
sometimes things look like if you would have come in, yeah, and that was dead, I would have been so upset with you.
You know, I could never beat that Charlie.
No, I know that. But I'm saying if it was dead, I would have been quite emotional.
Yeah, you would have been very emotional, especially waiting 3.5 years.
I would have pulled you to the side and be like, babe, like 3.5 years, you made me wait for that. Like, babe, what's this, babes? You know, what's this?
What's going on?
Are you in egg?
Thank you, Charlie.
Jeez.
Alright guys, that was the end of Stefflon Don explosion in the booth, you see me? Well, I really fire thing, but me not the explosion, you see me? But anyway guys, it's at the end of the reaction video. But not to lie, she killed it, bro. Sang them the two bars to drop, 2 songs them to drop, or 2 freestyles to drop. Kill it, bro. Kill it, bro. She said right up her lyrics, everything. You see me? And nobody can deny say this bad, bro. Nobody. You see me? If people deny say them are hater, bro, because everything good with this. The bars they match, the line they match up, everything good. You see me? Stefflon Don, if you give her ratings, one of the best female rapper, female performer out there, not lie. You see me? Even though she's my favorite still, but if she does something, listen, if Stefflon Don sing something that sound good, I'm gonna see it from my face, you see me? Cause I can't see my reaction after you. You don't really like that performance. So, but everything we should sing, I like already, you see me? Cause she sing be good stuff. So anyway guys, another reaction video. Peace out.